Join IASB and over 200 delegates for our Delegate Assembly on November 14th, held alongside our annual convention. Appointed delegates will help set the platform for the upcoming legislative session, participate in the annual meeting, and convene nominating caucuses. There are a few simple steps you need to follow to ensure your board's voice is heard at Delegate Assembly. First, you need to nominate one delegate from your board. Remember, your delegate must be a board member of a district in good membership standing with IASB. Next, register your delegate on our website by clicking the orange Register Now button. Be sure to register before the October 12th deadline. Once you've nominated and registered your delegate, check your mailbox in October. One packet of the Delegate Assembly materials will be mailed to the appointed delegate. Remember to bring the credential sheet with you on November 14th. Please note that all members of the governance team are encouraged to attend, but superintendents are not eligible to serve as the delegate. For more information on Delegate Assembly, please visit www.ia-sb.org/delegateassembly. We'll see you on November 14th.